Dear friends, welcome to this session of iconography. I'm showing you a sculpture which I have obtained from Tadipatri. Now, Tadipatri is known for two temples. One is of Shiva and another is of Vishnuji. Now, this we are going to see in detail as far as iconography of regional Vijayanagar region, because these were the initial temple constructed by Vijayanagar Empire. So we are going to see them, and we are going to also know what is the difference. Now, if I tell you it is just the Kaya Bhairav, there are certain things which will identify it. But I will tell you that there are many things in it which are not as far as routine Bhairava is concerned. Now we have to analyze each and every small aspect of it. So let's get going. The first thing is we have to find a posture. Posture is a standing, it is samabhanga with a dynamic alert look. Is aggressive. Arms, there are four arms. That is called Chaturbhuja. Chaturbhuja is always a god. It is not a human. Now, what they are holding is important. That is attributes. In one lower hand is in Abhaya Mudra. That is, he is blessing you. That is the right lower. Right lower is blessing you. That is the Abhaya Mudra. Now, let's go to the left upper. Left upper holds a Kapala. What is Kapala? Kapala is a skull bowl. The moment you see skull bowl, you know it is Bhairav. There is no doubt, should not think of anything else. It has to be a Bhairava, God Bhairava or Lord Bhairava. Now, again see more. Sometime we can see Bhairav holding a noose, that is a pash. That is he subdues evils. So that is the reason why he should have a noose in his hand. So sometime it is seen, but here it is not seen. Now what we are seeing, it is ornated. How frequently you see Bhairava ornated? I think very rarely. This is one of a rare example where there are a lot of ornaments for God Bhairava. But Bhairava has got a lot of different presentations. Here 100% I am telling you it is Bhairava because there are certain, like skull bowl I am showing you. Now you can see one chopped head leaking blood drops, and also you have to see that these blood drops when falls, they are leaked by a dog, which is not seen here, but often it is seen in one of the or some of the Bhairav sculptures. Do you see any serpent motif or garlands? That is the Mundamala. If you can see that, you are almost sure that this is a Bhairav. So he has got a serpent motif and garland of several heads. That is the Mundamala. These two things. One thing is the serpent and second thing is garland of many heads. You can be sure that he is Bhairava. Then his head is crowned. It has got hollow. He has got wide open eyes, which indicate a fearful look, and expressions are typical of the Krodha, that is the wrathful deities. Symbolization of Bhairava represent destruction of ego and evil. He is a god which is going to bless you by destructing your ego. Then he can destruct your bad evils in you. So that is why it is always worshipped. Ornated forms are often seen in a temple guardianship. You can see Bhairava, he is solo temples are also there, Kaya Bhairavas. He is sometimes seen in the temples also, but whenever you see him in a temple, he is in the form of guardianship. And nude. Most of the time he is nude, whether it is in the temple as a guardian or whether it is in other way. Bhairav is usually depicted, or he is a sculpt carved as the naked. Now here we are seeing a typical of one thing is the mundamala, that is the skeletal around scene. Then there is a serpent. There is a trishul also, if you can see carefully. Then he is holding hairs of one head which is chopped from the body. So this all iconographically fits with the Bhairava, though there are certain different features which I told you, like ornation and all that thing. Yes, you should remember is as a regional variation. It is from the Vijayanagar. So Vijayanagar had their own iconography. They multiple deities they have presented, multiple ways they have depicted, and more you see our iconographic lectures, more and more you'll know how many in different ways it has been projected. If you have any doubts, if you have only got anything to tell me, please write in the comment.